I recently built a custom power supply, but the knob on it is kinda blah, so I thought I'd design and build a nicer one. I printed a few mock-ups for testing and went with the largest one. I'm planning to do a mother of pearl inlay. I'm going to machine this one from brass, which I had laying around. It's easy to machine, it looks cool, and it won't rust. So right here, I'm gluing the front of the knob onto a holder so I can machine the rear for the spline. The first of many attempts. I machined out the spline from the knob, and at first, it fit perfectly.
Don't want to melt the plastic in here.
So I didn't show it here, but I ended up melting the first spline because I was a ding-dong. This guy's stuck on here. Okay, I had another knob with a spline that fit, but after I ended up machining it, it was slightly off and I had to throw it away. Okay, third time's a charm, I promise. I ended up just machining a piece of Delrin a little bit undersized on the spline and pressing it in place, and it actually worked perfectly. Perfect, no wobble. At first I was cutting this pearl with a handsaw. Just don't do that. It's a terrible idea. The method I landed on to hold and cut the pearl is pretty different. I used some hot glue to hold the pearl onto a brass rod in my lathe, and then simply pressed the pearl into place. Then I used essentially a live tool in my lathe to cut a circle since the pearl is so brittle. Don't breathe in that dust. And it actually worked really, really well, and that was the final piece that I ended up using. Okay, so as I expected, it sits below the surface, but what we'll do is glue and we'll tape it flush with the top. What do you think about the knob on there?
It's so cool.
Can you turn the knob?
Yeah, the knob is right here. The green one.
No, above the green one. See the knob?
Where's the knob?
The little brass thing? Yeah, that thing. Turn that. What do you think? Go the other way.
So cool. It's so cool.
Yeah, I thought so too.
Hee hee.